Hello. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm really excited. Melody Susie sent me a PR package, I guess you'd call it. These are amazing. I've gone ahead and taken the cellophane off these because it's noisy, but I haven't opened them. This is a base coat, top coat, plant-based set in this box. And then in this one, this is huge. There are 6 gel polishes in this box. Sweet scent, plant-based gel nail polishes. So they, I'm curious to see what's in this box. I'm excited. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches with these polishes just to see how rich and beautiful they are, because I know they are, they always are. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get the base and the top coat taken out. Oh my gosh, these are huge. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute are those? Okay, top coat. Oh, look at that. It even has this little bottom-like thing, so it's easier to get out of the bottle. Okay, so we've got the top coat. We've got a base coat and a top coat, so I'm going to put those in here. So I don't know if you had heard anything in regards to, I believe it was the UK. They basically told nail techs that they couldn't use gel polishes that had TPO in them. It's an ingredient that I believe they say is cancer causing. Look at this box. So I noticed there are brands that are coming out with new formulas, which is always nice. Look at this packaging. I can't get over this. Okay. So it's nature's perfume at your fingertips. Plant-based formula. Hypoallergenic certified. 21 non-toxic carbon conscious chemistry. Mineral-derived pigments. And nano milling technology. So there's a lot of stuff that goes into these polishes. I love this. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, so let's see. Simple steps to perfect nails. Very nice. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this? Oh, how cute is that? It's like I think a little, maybe like a keyring holder. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, the easiest way to get this out. Okay, look at these. Oh my gosh, these bottles are amazing. So these are a 3-free formula. They're plant-based, TPO, HEMA, and HPMA free gel polish. Oh, look at that red. Oh, and look at the brush. Okay. I'm excited to try these. So let's see here. That is a B2806. This is a B2305. Oh, look at that. I love Christmas colors. Get these out of the box. B2060. And again, it's got the flat surface right here so you can have it at an angle. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, these are gorgeous. And the bottles are bigger. Look at that, 16.5 ml. B2080. Oh, I love it. I love when you get gorgeous colors in bigger bottles. Oh, look at that. Okay. So I am going to swatch all of these. B2306. I feel like I'm playing bingo, but I'm not. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Can't get over the packaging and the colors themselves. B2809. Oh, look at that. It's got a shimmer to it. Okay. So I'm going to get this, wait a minute, out of the way. Need a manicure table setup made for you. Scan and get your support. I don't know if you can see that or not, and maybe you can scan that. See if that's something that will work for you. So I'll put that there. I think that is all that was in the box, I hope, because I don't want to leave anything out. Okay, loving the packaging. Okay, so I've gone ahead and grabbed some swatches. Okay, so I'm going to just show you, let's see here. I'm going to do one with the base coat. I just want to see, it would be better if these were scuffed up, but they're not. So I'm going to go ahead, try to get that lid off. Okay, I'm going to do one with the base coat. Oh my goodness, I just can't get enough of these. Okay, I just scratched that. I always do that. Okay, and then I'm going to get this in the lamp. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, and then we're definitely going to use this top coat. So what I want to do is get these swatches covered and then use these for my clients. So this is going to be B2305. Oh, look at that. Super pigmented and really, really creamy, and they just go on. Fabulous. This one's going to be a popular one. I have a number of people that love to have the green come Christmas. Okay, so that's only one coat. I've got to get these turned around so I can get into the lamp a little easier. Okay, and I'm going to put this one there so I know that's the one I did. I'm going to try and put 3 in at a time. Alright, so this is the one that had the base coat on it. I'm going to go ahead and do B2060. And like I said, I'm going to try and get 3 in the lamp. Oh my goodness. So, so pretty. Hope that is getting picked up. So I'm going to put this one next. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, you know what? This is what the swatches go on, I bet. I'm a dork. It's not for keys. It's for the swatches, is what I'm thinking. I could be wrong. Okay, so we're going to do B2080. Oh, it's like a champagne color, to me anyways. Look at that. You can never have enough shimmer or glitter for Christmas. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put those in the lamp, and I'm going to go ahead and cure those for 60 seconds. All right, so these are cured. I'm going to go ahead and do these ones. This is B2809. I think this is the one that had the shimmer in it. Oh, look at that. I'm on a red kick lately for myself. Very pretty. I think that one might need, well, might get away with one coat. Okay, so I'll put that in the lamp. And again, I'm trying to get these set aside so I can remember what's what. So when I go to write the numbers down, I don't mess them up. B2806. This is that really pretty deep red. Oh. Another color. You can't have enough of this when Christmas comes along. Okay. And then the last one, B2306, another really shimmery green. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay. So yeah, HEMA free, TPO free, plant-based, and then HPMA free. So, okay, I've got these in the lamp. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cured. All right, so these are all cured. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the top coat on real quick, get those cured, and then I'm gonna put them on. I do believe that that is for the swatches. It's adorable. And if it's not for that, then I'm still gonna use it as a swatch holder. So this is a shiny top coat. I think it's a no wipe. I'll have to, I should have read the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 3 of these in. I love this brush. It is so easy to apply the polish. I have found that the bigger brushes tend to work a little bit better and you don't have to put as much on or do it as many times as what I'm trying to say. Sorry, can't talk. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure these for 60 seconds. If I can get this one to stay put. All right, so I'm looking at the box. It doesn't look like it's gonna be a tacky layer, but anyways, I found this and I just thought this should be shared as well. So lots of info there. You can find their Instagram, their Facebook. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out. Okay, there is no tacky feeling. I have learned though, even if there's not a tacky feeling, you still wipe them with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, just to take off any residue that might be on there. And if you don't, that's fine. Everybody does their own thing. Not telling everybody what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get these top coated. And then I'm going to put the swatches on this cute little key ring. And then, yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so everything's cured. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put it on this little swatch holder. And then I've got them all in order so I can write down what's what on the swatches. But look at those colors. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. And I'm excited. So new formula, right? HEMA free, TPO free, HPMA free. I think HPMA, yeah. All right, well, there you have it. Some new polishes from Melody Susie. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back again shortly with another one. Cheers.